How can you make real estate purchases with infinite banking? Hey everyone, Barry Brooksby here, infinite banking practitioner, pro client guide and coach at Insurance and Estates. Glad you're with me. I want to dive in today to show you the infinite banking concept and how you can use a properly structured high cash value whole life policy specifically designed with infinite banking in mind to purchase real estate. I've done this myself. I'm a 17-year real estate investor. I have clients all over the country that are real estate investors, and they use their infinite banking whole life policy to buy real estate through policy loans. They're still making money on their total cash value. And one of the things that I want you to walk away from with this video is that when you take policy loans from your properly structured high cash value whole life policy, you still earn interest and dividends on your total cash value even though you have a loan. And I'm going to show you some of those details today. But first, let's dive in and look at a specific infinite banking whole life insurance illustration. This illustration is designed for a 50-year-old female real estate investor. She's putting $100,000 per year into the policy and a first-year lump sum of $200,000. So we see here in year one, $300,000 of premium is going into the policy. Now, when I say properly structured, this policy has what's called a PUA rider, paid up additions. You always want paid up additions because it's turbocharging your cash value growth. We're going to be looking at the non-guaranteed columns that include the dividend. These insurance companies I work with, they've been in business over 100 years. They've always paid dividends. This is the net cash value column. And you'll see in year one, there's $281,000 of her $300,000 that went in. She can borrow up to 95% of her net cash value as soon as 30 days after the policy is in force. Starting year two, she's putting in $100,000 for 10 years. And in year 11, she's done funding. This zero shows us that there is no more premium going into the policy. But as you can see, the cash value is growing every year, and even after she's done funding, her cash value still continues to grow. And you see that continuing on and on and on. So now I'm going to show you how she uses policy loans for real estate. There are two scenarios I want to show you. In the very first year, she wants to take a $250,000 loan to purchase a $250,000 rental property. That's the purchase price. She calls the insurance company, requests the loan. They do a direct deposit to her bank account within 3 to 7 business days. No questions asked. The insurance company doesn't care what she uses the money for because the death benefit and cash value are being used as collateral. But the amazing thing, as I mentioned before, when she takes out that $250,000 loan, she's still earning interest and dividends on her $281,000 total cash value. It's unaffected. There is no lost opportunity cost. She gets to choose how to pay the $250,000 back. This policy really does function as her own bank. In scenario 2, she wants to take a $500,000 loan and use it as a down payment. It will represent 20% of her overall purchase price, which means she's purchasing a property for $2.5 million. She's still going to get bank financing for the $2 million, but she's going to use $500,000 from her infinite banking whole life policy for the down payment. And you see here in year 4, she has $610,000 of cash value. She'll be in a position to still have positive cash flow after she pays the bank loan and after she pays her policy loan. In both scenarios, the insurance company does not physically remove the money from her cash value. She's still earning interest and dividends on her total cash value even though she has a loan. And as time goes on with that $100,000 premium going in, she has more access to cash to purchase more real estate. The benefit here for you as a real estate investor is you're now making money in 2 places. You're making money in your real estate opportunity and you're making money in your policy on your total cash value. The infinite banking concept to purchase real estate is remarkable. I would invite you to look at your own numbers. See how the infinite banking concept will work for you. Click the link below to learn more, and I look forward to showing you your own numbers.